Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, is one of the most fascinating and revolutionary technologies of our time. It is the science of creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. In simple words, artificial intelligence is like giving a human brain to a computer. A brain that doesn't just follow commands, but actually learns from experience and data. Imagine a machine that can recognize your voice, understand your words, and even respond to your emotions. That's the magic of AI. Today, AI is all around us. When you unlock your phone with your face, that's artificial intelligence at work. When Netflix suggests movies you might like, or when Google finishes your sentence before you do, that's AI analyzing your behavior and predicting your preferences. Even when you talk to Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, you are interacting with an AI system that understands natural human language and gives meaningful answers. Artificial intelligence has absolutely become a part of our daily life, influencing everything from shopping and communication to healthcare and transportation. But what exactly makes AI so powerful? The secret lies in data, algorithms, and learning. AI systems are trained using large amounts of data, text, images, voice, or numbers. And then they use algorithms to find patterns inside that data. Once they understand these patterns, they start making predictions and decisions on their own. For example, if you train an AI with thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it will learn to identify the difference between them. Next time you show it a photo, it can instantly say whether it's a cat or a dog. This ability to learn from experience is called machine learning, which is the backbone of AI. Artificial intelligence can be divided into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is the one we use today. It performs specific tasks like voice recognition, face detection, or recommendation systems. Examples include Siri, ChatGPT, and YouTube's recommendation algorithm. The second type is artificial general intelligence, which doesn't exist yet. It would be an AI that can think, learn, and understand like a human, capable of doing anything that a human brain can do. And finally, there's artificial superintelligence, a level of intelligence that surpasses human intelligence in every possible way. It's a theoretical concept, but many scientists believe that one day machines could become smarter than us. To understand AI deeply, we must explore its key branches. The first branch is machine learning, where AI learns from data and improves automatically. The second is deep learning, which uses neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. Deep learning helps AI recognize images, voices, and even emotions. Another important branch is natural language processing, or NLP, which allows AI to understand and communicate in human language. This is what powers chatbots, translators, and voice assistants. Then we have computer vision, which helps machines see the world through cameras and sensors, used in self-driving cars and medical diagnosis. Robotics is another branch that combines AI with machines to perform physical tasks, from assembling cars to exploring planets. The impact of AI on our world is enormous. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases at an early stage and even predicts patient outcomes. In education, it creates personalized learning experiences for students. In finance, AI analyzes market trends and prevents fraud. In agriculture, it helps farmers predict weather patterns and improve crop yield. In entertainment, AI creates music, art, and even entire movies. From industry to creativity, AI is transforming every field by making tasks faster, smarter, and more efficient. However, every great technology brings challenges, and AI is no exception. One major concern is job displacement. As AI becomes capable of doing more human tasks, many fear it might replace millions of jobs. Another challenge is bias. If the data used to train AI is biased, the AI will make biased decisions. Privacy is also a big issue, as AI systems often require personal data to function effectively. And finally, there's the question of control. What happens if AI becomes more powerful than its creators? These are ethical and social questions that humanity must answer as AI continues to evolve. The future of artificial intelligence is both exciting and unpredictable. Experts believe that AI will soon create smarter cities, safer transportation systems, and faster scientific discoveries. It will help humanity fight climate change, cure diseases, and even explore other planets. But it will also raise new questions about trust, transparency, and human identity. Will we control AI, or will AI control us? The answer depends on how we guide this technology today. Artificial intelligence is not about replacing humans. It's about enhancing what humans can do. It's about using machines to make our lives better, not meaningless. At its core, AI is a reflection of human creativity, logic, and imagination. It learns what we teach it, and it becomes what we design it to be. If we build AI with wisdom, compassion, and responsibility, it will become one of humanity's greatest allies. But if we misuse it, it could become our biggest threat. In the end, artificial intelligence is not just about smart machines. It's about understanding intelligence itself, how we think, how we learn, and how we create. The real question is not, what is artificial intelligence, but how will we use it to shape the future? The answer lies in our hands. And that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Ruby Parker, your favorite place to explore the world of education and technology. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. This is Ruby Parker signing off. Stay curious, stay smart, and keep learning every day.